Okay, Gilbert, I've got your media page set up, and I wanted to shoot this video and get it to you as soon as possible. I'm still working on some of the icons and other things like that, but I started with making sure we had all the watershed things set in place. So let me show you how to do this. I did want to show you one change that I made. I got rid of the slider down at the bottom, just running into some issues with that with different browsers. So what it's going to happen is it's just going to stack them about 4 across, and then it'll just create some multiple rows up to about 12 videos, and then we'll figure out what to do from there. But let's look at how to put a video into the website. I'm already logged into Watershed, and I'll show you how to access this. You may already know this, but if you click on this video tab at the top of Watershed, it's going to take you to all your recorded content, and that's going to have it listed out. Right now you've got some test videos in here, no full sermons or anything, just some test stuff. And so once you find the video that you want, one thing I want to make sure that I show you here is you're not going to use this whole code. And there's a couple reasons why, mainly due to some size issues and some of the drop-down menu issues. I've already built this embed code into your website. You need one specific number. And there may be a different way to get this, but let me just show you the easiest way that I've found to get it just from looking around. I don't use Watershed a lot, but if you find the video that you're wanting to use, so for right now we'll just say this first one, and you click the edit button, that's going to take you to a page specifically for that video, and in the URL it's going to give you a 7-digit code. We really need that code right there. That's the only thing we need. So you can copy and paste that, and then we're going to go put that into the website. So if you're looking, if you log into your website and you go to Publish Video Media, we want to title the video, so we'll just call this Test Video 2. It asks right here, first and foremost, for the video embed code. Alright? And that's that 7-digit code that's in the URL of the specific video you're working on. Okay? So I know it seems like a little bit more of a hassle initially to have to go get that code, but in the long run, it's the better way to go about it, because every time you put, if you did the whole embed code, it could get a little messy. It wouldn't be consistent across the board. So grab that 7-digit code, come back over here, and you want to paste it in this embed code. 7 digits is all that it is, and I've set this to block any more than 7 digits. Okay? If you scroll down the page a little bit more, you're going to see video info. It's going to ask for a thumbnail, a title, a date, and a description. If you look here on this page of what I've already done, the title is going to be shown here, the date is shown here, the description is shown here. Also, for the small thumbnails, for people to be able to select the video, you're going to have the thumbnail here, the title here, and the date, and then that thumbnail is the link to the video. So let's just go ahead and title this the same thing we titled it up here, Test Video 2. We'll give it the date of August 29th, 2010. I'm just going to copy and paste some code in there or some text in there for right now. Now it's asking for a video thumbnail, and there are a lot of different ways you can get that thumbnail. I have a way that I do it very simply, but if you don't use a Mac, there may not be a way to do this. I don't know PCs that well, but I'm just going to show you how I do that. If you click on play, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a screenshot of this right here by a little shortcut on my keyboard, and that allows me to just take a quick picture. And when I do that, it saves it to my desktop. I don't know the best way for you to create one. You may want to create one yourself in a program. You may have somebody on staff there that can snap a photo and you want to use that. Whatever you want to do, that's no problem. But you need to make sure you get that thumbnail. And let me go rename that real quick. So it's actually this file right here. So I'm going to choose that file down here. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, so I've put in the title. I've put in the embed code, which is key. If you don't have that, it won't play. I've uploaded a thumbnail, titled it, dated it, and put the description in. Down below, you're going to see download info for video file name and audio file name. And what that is going to be is just the simple file name, whatever it is named once that program puts it into the FTP. Don't worry about that for right now. We will look at that once we conference call and see exactly what that program is going to do for us. Okay, so if you click submit, it's going to upload that thumbnail, and then if we go back and refresh the page, whoops, hold on one second, sorry about that. Now if I go back and refresh the page, you'll see the two thumbnails, test video 2, which this is the one we just did. Now right now we're on test video 1 because that was the last one that had been pulled up. But if you look here, it'll put the newest video first, and if I click on that, it's going to take me to test video 2. Okay, your video loads up, and
youth group starts a week from
you can play that video.
All
right. Whenever we put in that download information, it'll be pulled from here, and I'm going to be working tonight and a little bit tomorrow on making sure all these icons over here are working. All right, so everything's looking good, and once you get this, you can go ahead and start tweaking and playing with it a little bit.